I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be reviewing some Coach products that I got in my big shopping haul the other day. If you're interested, you can check that video out right there. But I'm going bananas and oranges for Coach. Ladies and gentlemen, two beautiful products. We have this banana Coach little wristlet and this orange orange Coach. I don't like calling it a makeup bag because these are just all-purpose travel bags. That's, you know what, let's call it that. It's a travel bag. So let's get into the review of them and see what they have to offer as far as anything interior or if they're just a beautiful product. So we'll start with the bananas. It's in this really, really pretty shade of pink. I'd call it powder pink with these just cartoony cute bananas all over it. You kind of want to pick these out yourself. You're running a risk getting them online, and the reason why is up here, see how the print gets cut off? Well, it's random where the print gets cut off, and you can get some funny looking edges. I got to dig through and pick out this one in particular because I liked the placement. It's not like some other companies where this is always going to be the same on every single product. These bananas are going to land in different places. Same thing goes for the orange slices. But it's got an adjustable wrist strap, which is in, I want to say white, but it's almost a tan. Like a super, super light tan. Zipper works really nice. Good quality for Coach. We don't need that. We don't need that. Oh, okay. Well, there's a little bit of a surprise. On the inside, we've got two fabric card holders. So you can stuff some cards in. Oh, and it opens up some more too. So you can actually get into it pretty well. So that's exciting. Other than that, I mean, it's not like a full-blown purse. It's not meant to be. It's meant to just be a fun, throw a couple of items in it, summer bag. I mean, you can use it whenever, but it's just a cute wristlet. I like it. It's the powder pink's adorable. So, especially with those cartoon bananas. So I'll set that off to the side. And we will get into the travel bag. It has a little zipper and pull tab right there. And I'm trying to get it to focus. And it says Coach. And, oh, it's really light. It almost feels chintzy compared to a lot of Coach products I've reviewed. So maybe to keep costs down on these fun, I mean, it is a travel case, but I don't know. I'm used to there being a lot more weight to a Coach zipper. I couldn't tell it on the wristlet because it's got the wristlet part attached. But even the zipper itself is really tiny compared to a lot of Coach product. So take what you want from that. It does run really good, though. Well, I say that and then I get stuck. Okay, it runs pretty smooth. I could see that lasting quite a few years. All the fun stuff we don't want. Alright. Okay, this has the same interior. But the difference is we've got a pocket back here. And it looks like it's a button pocket. Oh, it didn't throw up all of its stuff. Okay, it's a big button. So I'll snap it. And you can see there, it's just a nice snappable pocket to keep some stuff secure from the rest of your stuff. But nothing too fancy, nothing crazy going on. The interior doesn't even have like the signature super fancy interior. These are cheaper and a lot more affordable. And they also are, yeah, everything about it, you can tell, like, the reason why it was so affordable. But you don't really want to spend over $100 on a travel bag. You want something that is affordable, but still is Coach. So I'm not complaining at all. I know it sounds like I am, but I'm really not. The thinner, lighter zipper, every ounce counts when you're on the road. So there's a plus there. And then the interior not being super high end quality, it's easier to clean. So, and does it come out? No, it's sewn in there. But it's easier to clean, and also you're going to be putting makeup or shaving kits. It's going to get little hairs in it. It's a travel bag, so I mean, shampoo's going to leak into it from your little airplane travel size clear containers. And you won't really be shedding tears over the interior getting destroyed as much as one of your signature bags or one of the higher end products. So I love these, and they are freaking adorbs. So they're going, imagine it like just placed right back there on the shelf. Boop. All right. Once again, I'm Travis. Thanks for hanging out in my closet. You can check out my new website. It's traviswtmc.com. That's where I've got all my content in one spot. And then you can also follow me on pretty much any social media at TravisWTMC. All right, till next time. Bye, guys.